Leads are the one thing that every SaaS founder needs more of, right? Not just any leads, but high quality leads that can drive real business growth for you. In a noisy world full of endless channels, it can be overwhelming to figure out where to focus your time and energy. I remember when I first started my journey, I had so many options, and seemingly all of them can work for any business and any model. People talk about product market fit a lot, but I'm a big fan of channel founder fit. It might be emails, cold calling, some prefer in-person events and other faceless channels like SEO, but you got to match the channel to your individual preferences. For my business, I did things that seemed easy and others that seemed really hard. And those definitions can be different for everybody. In the end, I stuck with ones that were really effective for me. And today I'm going to share my 3 strategies I used to build high quality leads for my SaaS business, and you can too. These 3 strategies have helped me and countless others turn prospects into paying customers. The first strategy is leveraging LinkedIn, a powerful platform for B2B connections. It's a social media platform for businesses, especially B2B. It offers a lot of the best benefits of social networking, along with the ability to prospect directly on platform. I use it to build up my network, post valuable content for them, and proactively reach out. A big tip here is to start messaging people in the DMs. When you do, your content appears at the top of their feed. Currently giving between 5 and 10 sales calls every week just from my LinkedIn activity. My second would be content marketing, podcast, YouTube, and blogging. And the purpose of content marketing is to educate and bring awareness to the problem you solve while also building trust and authority with your target market. It's free and evergreen. Evergreen meaning the content has no kind of sell-by date and is always relevant. At Castos, we get more than 100 free trials every month entirely from content marketing. Our most popular content is around how to do X with Castos. So show how to solve a problem your audience is looking for a solution with your tool. And thirdly is partnerships. Be listed on an app store, having affiliate relationships, or building business development partnerships with others in your industry. You have a product and a solution. Someone else has an audience with that need. So look for others who have the other side of that coin, the audience, but not a competing solution. You can pay them cash as in an affiliate relationship. You can partner where, hey, I'll send you customers, you send us customers in return, or an integration where the 2 tools working together give more value to the customer than they would independently. And this is how we got started with Castos. We acquired a WordPress plugin called Seriously Simple Podcasting with an existing user base and then monetized that through a paid SaaS upsell. It's brought us over 100,000 installations of the plugin in the last 7 years alone, basically for free. I'd love to know what your biggest challenges have been with generating high quality leads for your business. Let me know in the comments below. And to recap, focus on mastering LinkedIn, content marketing, and partnerships to generate high quality leads. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe for more tips on growing your SaaS business and finding clarity every step of the way.